easy at all. I'll tell you that.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, they're all the way down there.
Yeah, is this where you put your gas in?
Yeah, right there.
I know what's wrong with it.
In the intake, because it goes right into the engine.
I feel like the red one should be like where you fill it up, you know?
Nah.
It's
That's where I put the coolant right here.
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah, it's doable, but
this right here.
How do you start, brother?
This is
right
danger to manifold.
Is it one of these round things?
yeah, one of them. I don't know which one.
You heard what he said? He said this wine's more than his wife.
Bro, I'm telling you.
Hey man, big turbo, fast. Random shit.
What you want to show me, Jay?
Show you these tail lights, bro. Check it out.
All right, bro. What's good?
Show you these tail lights, bro.
Just don't rev it.
You like them, huh? She's nice. Told you.
Alright,
You missed the open down part. Start up.
You want to start it here?
Somebody's in my car, bro. Hey, check it out. I don't know who he is, but. Turn on.
Bro.
I would hate you if you're my neighbor. Like,
would you hate me or would you like me?
I
Because you have a
would-
Z. I mean, Z's are more annoying, to be honest. You know.
Hey, that's kind of from an old Z owner, alright? I get it. That makes sense.
Hey, bro. Full bolt on tune, bro.
Full bolt on turbos.
Full bolt on tune, bro.
I'm sponsored by Majestic, you know what I'm saying? You want 100% off your motor swap?
Going on, huh? That C6.
Let's not forget the ETR. Yeah, their neighbors fucking hate that. Yo, they started a long. Yo, Brian, what happened, dog?
I wish I was. Were you recording that?
No, I wasn't.
Oh my God.
I wasn't.
I'm trying to break these bitches, bro. It's so weird having these on.
Holy
Bro, it's funny. You don't know if you noticed it, but your car on stock wheels, it'd be like this, bro. It'd be like.
I saw it from my first prohibition.
I saw you in the back with the helmet on. I was like, this
It looks like a haul of ass.
I know I should have, bro. You should. Everybody got a ripple?
Yo, he digging me, bro. He digged me dirty. I didn't even ask.
Oh, yeah.
No, I offered him. He said.
I don't like spending on
good.
gifts.
Hey, this is the story of a youngin' dreaming. Left his city to see if he could be what he dreaming. Big city on his own shit, but every now and then a nigga get homesick. Pick up the phone, holla at my partner, he telling me be warm. A lot of shit.
Pretty sure that's illegal to piss on a church.
I didn't even piss down there.
Look, and my manifold is glowing.
Oh my god.
Danger to manifold.
Danger to manifold.
Please
Damn, boy.
Look at this. I can see it.
Oh, please stop. Your shit is not like that.
Yeah, I gotta let that bitch sit for a little bit. I'm motherfucker.
Hang on, let me cook my jerky on that hoe.
Yeah, bro, put it on.
Do it. I want to see it. I love it.
That bitch is cooking. You can make an egg on that bitch, bro.
Oh, I can smell it.
Yeah. All the camera picks it up.
Does it?
Yeah, look, look at the camera.
damn.
Hold on. Oh, fuck the flash.
Yeah, you could definitely smell it too. I don't think it's that though.
No, it's not that. It's your brakes, dude.
Not from here, no. It's not my brakes.
God, that was literally like a 5-second hold of his tires. And it kept that hose straight too. Spin that hose.
I got y'all again, but how much I got?
Yo,
You got plenty.
Yeah.
You still got a lot.
let that shit cool
Yeah,
I'm
down.
gonna let somebody else get their shine.
So that chicken bacon, bro. Them boys hot.
I'll just use the regular seat.
Yeah, we're gonna make a U. Alright. How'd it feel? I don't usually do first gear pulls.
the spot is hot, the spot is hot. Oh shit.
Are you ready? gotta get this one.
Spot is hot. Gotta go. I'll see y'all later, YouTube.